I'm going to show you how you can enable disk performance counters in Windows Server. So by default, when you go to the Performance tab within Task Manager, you can only see the CPU, memory and network adapters. But if we close Task Manager and then open up a command prompt and then type diskperf-y, this will enable performance counters for both the logical and physical disks attached to the machine. So if we go back into Task Manager and then Performance, we can now see that the disks are now appearing and it will show us the performance of those disks. Now if you do want to turn them off, because it can impact performance slightly, if you go back to command prompt and then type diskperf-n, that will then disable the disk performance counters, and then in Task Manager on the Performance tab, the disk performance counters are now gone.